What's going on, everybody? Dalton Mitliff Outdoors back again. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video on the app Temu. I ordered some fishing gear off Temu. Fairly cheap, I mean, pretty cheap. Ordered a reel or two reels. I think one was $13, one was $5. I'm going to post a picture of them in the video. Some cheap bait and a little 2500 case, I think it was. Anyway, we're gonna unbox those, and then in the future video, the one after this, we're gonna use those, see how well they perform. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna start unboxing. All right, here we are. This is it. It's right here. So we are gonna open this bad boy up and see how the things look. They take this pretty good. Yeah. All right. What we got? That. We have that box. We have that case looked a lot bigger in the picture. Alright. Everything looked a lot bigger in the picture. We're just gonna toss that over there for a minute. Alright, so we are gonna start with, I guess, these. So Burl, that's the name, I guess. These swim baits, they are tiny. I did not know they were gonna be this tiny. That's it right there. I don't know if you can really see that they're small. I don't know how well these are gonna work. Put them as a trailer, maybe. I don't know. There's about 2, 4, 6, 8. I lost count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 of them in this little pack. They don't have a color. They say orange. So, yeah. There's that. Look at this little case here. Lay that there. Here's the case. Double-sided storage. Okay, that I can probably get behind that. So you got that side. Flip it around, and you have that side. That's actually pretty cool. I could use this as like a terminal tackle box. Let's see what we have in here. This bad boy open. All right, we have several packs of baits that I ordered. Okay, little jig heads. Cool little container. There, you see that? Little jig heads. Decently sharp. I don't know how well these hooks are gonna hold up, but guess we'll find out. Well, there's that. These swim baits are so much smaller than they appeared on the app. But, I mean, I got everything for about $30, so can't really complain. But you got those little swim baits. You got pink, brownish, black, orange and white, black and white, and green and yellow. So those would be, actually, with those little jig heads, that might actually be pretty decent. So let me get some look. Grub worms right there. That's pretty nice. That red color there, I like that one. Maybe we can make something happen with these baits, because that's pretty much going to be the challenge. Okay, these are small too, but these are nice colors right there. that white and blue, that clear and blue, and that pink and that orange right there. So I'm pretty sure that's the same orange over there. Aren't bad. I mean, so all together, if I can get the stuff to act right, we got all these baits. So for a future video after this, challenge is gonna be to catch fish on using these baits only. So now we have the reels. I'm not scared. Like I said, all this is Temu stuff. I didn't expect this stuff to be this small, but you know, $30, what you can do. Suga Lang, maybe. Let's see what it is. All right, I'm gonna open this bad boy up and set him there. And let's look at this. All right, it came with line already on it. That's not bad. That was pretty neat. Okay, that is awesome. So that right there, that trigger right there, makes it collapsible. That is actually pretty awesome. So it don't have a lot of give when you're reeling, but I'm actually liking it. I mean, it's not a bad reel. I think I paid $5 for this. I mean, it's 3 ball bearing. Let's see. That's actually not that bad at all. I like the collapsible trigger. All right, we're gonna open up this second one. This is gonna be the Baitcaster I ordered. And I'm a big Baitcaster person, so we're gonna see. I'm really hoping this thing performs pretty well because, okay, it ain't got that. I really don't know about this yet. But there it is. Blue and black. That, it don't have the numbers on the brake system. This says minimum and maximum. Right now I guess it's on minimum all the way to max. I like the click in it, but I don't like how it's not dotted. Oh, okay. Well, I like that. The brakes or the spool tension knob. That's actually not bad. I like that. Let's see if the drag has clicks. Okay, so the drag has clicks. That sounds good. I really don't know how well this thing is gonna perform. I can't even tell if it's moving. So far it is okay. The knobs are pretty big. I like that part, the knobs being big. But one thing I'm already not liking about it is, see the handle? How loose that is. I'm not sure about that. Maybe I can tighten it up. I'm not sure. Hopefully so. But that's my biggest downfall about this so far, is that handle just bouncing around. That's, if I get set up on a fish and I'm yanking back and I gotta worry about, but I mean, $30 for Baitcaster reel, spinning reel, and the baits, and the little box. Not really bad, and it's just a little fun challenge video, but this is what we got. I just now realized that I picked blue and black for both reels. Okay. But it's 6:3 to 1 gear ratio. So stay tuned for more content. I've been trying to post more and more content. By the way, when I was going out to get the package, I got stung there by a wasp and stung somewhere on my face, but That sucked. But I've been waiting for this package to come in, so y'all stay tuned, and we are gonna put this stuff to test here in the next video, and hopefully everything performs pretty well, especially this, because I really like this, and we can catch some fish with them, especially the baits, because I mean, you got to think about the baits being so small, and just, I hope something happens. But I appreciate all the love. We're at 106 subscribers now. Man, y'all are amazing. So y'all stay tuned for more content. We're gonna try to get the numbers up to about 150. I want to try to get up to 150 before the year's over with. I know to me that sounds like a lot, but y'all stay tuned. I appreciate all the love. I'm out.